It's important to wear the correct amount of socks in order to feel as comfortable as possible. Wearing too thin a layer of socks could cause the leg to fall too quickly into the device, causing pain at the end of your limb and in your kneecap. The leg could also move around within the socket and cause the lower portion to rotate. Not wearing enough socks can lead to more discomfort and blisters with the milking effect, or when the socket pulls up from the leg. To prevent these scenarios, simply take off the socket and apply a sock. If your prosthesis has a locking pin, make sure that the sock is not caught onto it. Put on the socket and make sure it has a snug fit and no areas of excess pressure. There are also errors you could run into by wearing too many socks. Having a thick layer of socks could create bunching at the top of the socket and cause you to feel false bottoming. This could lead to a hammocking sensation or pain and discomfort in the bottom of your limb. To avoid false bottoming and hammocking, take off the socket and then remove the extra sock. Now you should feel a perfect fit.